Hey friends, today we're going to make easy sheet pan quesadillas. They're super fun. They'll feed the whole family, and we're going to make this whole sheet pan quesadilla recipe today for less than $20. So when we talk about feeding the whole family for less than $20, that's a pretty good get, right? Let's get into it. We start out our easy sheet pan quesadillas by chopping up our vegetables. We're going to start with a beautiful green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. We're going to chop those up along with a nice sweet onion. And once we chop up our vegetables, we're going to set them aside as we prepare to brown our ground beef. And we're going to brown the ground beef here on top of the stove, and we're going to chop up the ground beef. Now we're going to make the seasoning, which is 1 packet of taco seasoning and 3/4 cup of water, along with some browning sauce or browning agent, about 1 teaspoon. We will add here, and then we're going to give it a nice stir. We're going to whisk it together to make sure all of the ingredients are combined. It looks like our ground beef has browned up, so we're going to take our seasoned mixture and we're going to place it right over the top of our ground beef. I've got my heat on at about a medium heat temperature, and we're going to let that simmer and cook off for 5 to 6 minutes. And then we're going to come in and dump our onion, and we're going to give that a nice stir. Along with that, we're going to put in the green bell pepper, and we're going to give that a quick stir, and then we're going to add the red bell pepper, and it's going to add just some beautiful color to this whole dish. So we want to make sure that we stir in our vegetables. We're going to keep the heat on medium to make sure that our vegetables soften and cook up very, very nicely with that meat. We're going to prepare a greased cookie sheet. We're going to toss some tortillas on the side, hanging off the edge, as you see right here. And we're going to make sure that we place 1 tortilla right there in the middle. And now we're going to prepare our first layer of our quesadilla dish here, and that is a layer of cheese. It can be any Mexican blend or any cheese that you desire. We're going to make sure that cheese is pushed into the corners there. Oh, right behind that is that beautiful meat mixture. Smells so good. It's so beautiful. We're going to pour all of the meat right on top of that cheese layer. This becomes our second layer. We're going to push the meat into the corners, make sure everything is even and level, and then we are going to top it off with a third layer, which is more cheese. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push that into the corners and make sure that that dish is all even and level. Once we do that, we're going to start folding up the edges of the tortilla to make sure that all the edges are folded up into that cookie sheet. We're going to place 2 more in there, give it a nice tuck, and then we're going to brush it with a melted butter all over the top. That's about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And once we do that, we're going to get another baking sheet, another cooking sheet, an empty one. We're going to place it on top. We've preheated our oven for 350 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 40 minutes. Here's a sheet pan quesadilla recipe card for you to screenshot. And hey, listen, if you like cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that subscribe and like button so I can see more of you. Thanks. Ooh, look at here, friends. This is a great sheet pan quesadilla. I can't wait to cut this up and to taste this. This is going to be great. It'll be great for a card party, a gathering, everybody coming to the house to play cards, watch a game. So you're just going to cut this. I mean, I'm cutting it with this tool, but you also could cut it with a pizza cutter. And then I'm going to make these kind of nice size quesadillas. I'm going to go right down the front here. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Super easy, right? It's going to feed a crowd. And I made these for less than $20. All right, so let me get a plate and we're going to dive into these real quick. Okay, hey, let's taste this quesadilla here. I'm going to grab one off the pan. Look at that. Yum. I'm going to garnish it here with some sour cream. Actually, maybe I'll put a little bit of that on top. I've got a little bit of shredded up lettuce right here. And then we've got some salsa and or some chopped up tomatoes will work as well. So let's take a bite of her. She looks so, so good. I mean, can you see the layers there? Let me turn that around. Look at the layers there. Oh man, does that ever look good. Mm. Oh yeah. Wow, you're gonna love this. Your family's gonna love this one. So easy. And I made that pan for less than $20. Don't forget that, right? The other thing I wanted to ask you about, hopefully you stayed with me this long in the videos. I want to know where you're watching from. What state, what country? Let me know where you're watching from. And if you make these, let me know when you make them and how they turned out. I'm just going to keep eating them. They're so good. And guess what? The sour cream hits the spot, tomatoes. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.